Hello friends, we are using different standards or some base in our everyday life. Sometimes we are aware of the same and sometimes we are not. Like measuring speed in kilometer per hour or miles, measuring weight, etc. But are we aware of the standards in information security? In information security, we have so many standards and lots of frameworks, guidelines, etc. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about the NIST special publication. Let's understand what NIST is. NIST is an agency under the US Department of Commerce and the full form of NIST is National Institute of Standards and Technology. NIST work in different domains, and if we open the web page of NIST, then we can see all these different domains. Out of these different domains, our domain of concern is cybersecurity. And the web page of this particular domain of cybersecurity have further links to other resources like Computer Security Resource Center, Cyber Security Framework, Privacy Framework, Risk Management Framework, etc. So NIST Computer Security Resource Center web page have links to different types of publications which NIST is providing on different topics. And out of these topics, our topic of concern is security and privacy. And NIST have various technical publications such as FIPS and NIST SP. FIPS is Federal Information Processing Standard and NIST SP is NIST Special Publication. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about the special publication. And NIST Special Publications covers guideline, technical specification, recommendations, and reference materials on different sub-series. Like there's one series SP 800 which covers computer security. There's one series SP 1800 which covers cybersecurity practices. There's other series which is SP 500 which covers information technology. So let's take the series NIST SP 800 series. NIST Special Publication 800 series cover more than 180 guidelines, technical specification, recommendation, and reference material on computer security. It covers from the endpoint security to cloud security, from servers to bring your own device security, and from encryption to PKI. So whenever you have any doubt in any of these fields, you can directly go there and search on this particular web page of NIST Special Publication 800 series. So let's take 30 NIST special publications which every security professional must know. So in this series we have 800-12 revision 1 which covers introduction to information security. We have 800-30 again revision 1 which is a guide for conducting risk assessment. We have 800-34 revision 1 which is a provide contingency planning guide for any federal information system we can use in other environment also. Then we have 800-35 which is a guide to information technology security services. Then we have 800-37 which is a risk management framework for information system and organizations. Then we have 800-39 which is used to manage information security risk for organization, mission, and information system view. Then we have 840 which is a guide to enterprise patch management technologies. Then we have 841 which is guidelines on firewall and firewall policy. Then we have 800-44 which is a guideline on securing public web servers. Then we have 800-45 which is a guideline on electronic mail security. Then we have 800-46 which is a guide to enterprise telework, remote access, and bring your own device security. Then we have 800-50 which helps us to understand and build an information technology security awareness and training program. Then we have 800-53A which is for assessing security and privacy control in information system and organization. Then we have 800-55 which is performance measurement guide for information security. Then we have 800-53 which is security and privacy control for federal information system and organization. Then we have 800-55 which is performance measurement guide for information security. Then we have 800-60 which is computer security incident handling guide. Then we have 800-66 which is an introductory resource guide for implementing the HIPAA security rule. Then we have 800-77 which is a guide to IPsec VPN. Then we have 800-83 which is a guide for malware incident prevention and handling in desktop and laptops. Then we have 800-86, which is a guide to integrate forensic technique into incident response. Then we have 800-88, which is a guideline for media sanitization. Then we have 800-92, which is a guide to security log management. Then we have 800-94, which is a guide to intrusion detection and prevention system. Then we have 800-95, which is a guide to secure web services. Then we have 800-100, which is a information security handbook for managers. Then we have 800-101, which is a guideline on mobile device forensics. Then we have 800-145, which is a NIST definition of cloud computing. Then we have 800-207, which is for Zero Trust Architecture, and it is a second draft. Then we have 800-210, which is Journal Access Control Guidance for Cloud Systems. These are the 30 most important NIST special publication which every information security professional should know. So we can say these are the most important one, but you can also dig down more in the list of the NIST special publications. Also, NIST have one more important section, that is its glossary, which covers thousands of words related to security. So whenever you have any doubt, you want to check the definition of the same, so just take reference of the definition given in the NIST glossary. I'm going to take an overview of these 30 standards one by one in my coming videos. So bye for now and keep watching for more such information video on information security. Thank you friends.